World where we are being told that pensions are running dry and the average person may have to work in some capacity for their entire life, this sounds like a bit of a lofty dream. Sure, there are trust fund babies and young tech bros who may earn millions within their first few years in the real world, but surely kicking back on a beach and never thinking about work again is not attainable for a regular wage slave, right? Well, if some figureheads and internet forums are to be believed, well, yeah. Actually, it is pretty much attainable for
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, Assalamu alaikum my friends. Thank you for coming to this channel once again. Immigration Ultimate is always there to help you to any of your queries at any point of time. We are in social media, we are in all the different platforms to inform you the best as we can. We can be there to assist you of any of such kind if you wish. As well as you can subscribe to our newsletter to get the latest information on immigration. Additionally, we have and open the different platforms such as the visitor visa, where you can get all the information such as the documents required, which other countries assist you with the visiting places or the visiting documents required for any such kind, as well as the different tiers of visitor visa. Also, for the different categories such as skilled, unskilled and semi-skilled workers are there to assist you with any information that can help you to get your job done. Also, my friends, we are into the different nations where we can give you all the information as you required. So, what's started? So, the time of 1968 has completely changed in 1978. The immigration has since taken a quite a drastic change in 1988 and then in 1998. But it's the immigration that has actually occurred between 98 to 2008. But after the market crash in 2018, everything has changed.
Previously, where the world has a chance that you can actually make the work, you can actually make the stuff done, but it is not possible as of now. There are certain situations where it is quite unpredictable for any family, those who come new to any nation, that they may not or may get a job and get their life settled as best as they can. But it doesn't make sense that if anybody has the chance to work inside or work in any country that can lead them to success, there are other reasons that those are much of importance in this present world scenario. And my friends, make no mistake that we are living in the times of Donald Trump and the fascism and certain bad things, they are bad omen that can definitely create a very huge impact on our lives, our careers and our own financial matters. So it is very much important for us to understand how the things actually work and how are the things that need to be assimilation that can give you a proper proclamation of your career, your life and towards the strategy that you want to develop for a particular gain. So let's just see what is actually a FIRE.
The FIRE movement is a trend amongst young workers which is growing in popularity thanks to its very enticing goal, which is spelled out right there in the name. FIRE is an acronym for Financial Independence and Retiring Early.
Well, now as we know about the FIRE and the FIRE capabilities that can make you the rich in the world, the question is how to do so. What are the various categories where you can actually look for, and where are the procedures that can actually make you the best in the world. Now, it is not as much a secret that it can be not revealed, something which you already know of, but the thing is, the answer is lying just in here. Those are the investment visas, business visa, citizenship, the immigration. But the question is how and where actually can you look for? Well, my friends, I can say one thing, that there are plenty of nations in the world where you can actually look for and where you can actually make your money. The thing is, you need to talk to the people, meet with them and have a meeting with them. congratulate them, welcome them, talk to them, and they will definitely always be there for you whenever you want. The second part will be in the social media. Actually make the online friends through Zoom or through Hangouts. You can grab them attention and always deliver your products. They are looking for you. Number third, always deliver your products. They are looking for you. Number third, once you're done, we definitely discuss your ideas and have a meeting with them and have a chat and converse your ideas. Those are much more valuable as much as for you and for them as well. Through the FIRE movement, you can make a tons of opportunities, and once you do, you can be welcomed into their world. And with their world, you can make the lot many new things and new opportunities for your future ambitions and future life. After that, number fifth will be you will get into their group and you will be part of their group and you will get a success into getting to those group, and you will be the FIRE, you will be independent people, and you can make a lot of progress in your life. My friends, the road to success isn't paved with gold, but it's hard hidden rock and lot of other boulders or blunders. You have to cross them, but to do that, you need to be in here in the Western world, and once you are here, you have to make the success through these 4 methodologies. Once you do that, my friends, the money will just pour from the sky, and you will be the richer, and you will be the benefactor at the end of the day. So, what's stopping you? Go grab the world. So, the quick recap is choose a nation that you want to immigrate to, and once you are there, join in the group of the localites, of the local citizens of any nation. Number third, get inside the social media and into their platforms. Number fourth, discuss your ideas with them and always. Number fifth, welcome them into their world and welcome them to your world as well. And number sixth, go to their parties and enjoy.